joke of the week. Here's the joke. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Why was 6 afraid of 7? I don't know. Because 7, 8, 9. Ha ha ha.
Hey, I get that. 7, 8, 9. That's good. Cursed planet. Frank, why are you so small?